All right, can you tell what this is? It's another unboxing video. This is a box of goodies from JL Glass. They're a vitrograph supplier that I've used on several past videos. I love their just their work and their family and their product. I've always had great luck with it. They're on Etsy. I'll drop a link in the video notes. I have a whole box of goodies here and just thought you guys seem to like unboxing videos, so I was going to show them to you. But first thing, I just got to show off this box. I mean, look at all that amazing labeling. It's packaged in there real nice. And so I think that's the mark of a good seller that really cares for their product and wants to make sure that it arrives to you in perfect condition. So let's get this thing opened up. Oh, didn't cut that very well. All right, let's see. There's a note in here. Let me take a look at that, and we'll be right back. So this is packaged so well. Let's just see here. What's going to be the easiest way to do this? Well, I can see right here. Check that out. Multicolor curls. Do you see these curls in here? Let's see. They do such a nice job of packaging these things up in bubble wrap. I hate to risk cutting my finger open or breaking this, but I do want you to see these curls because they're just so cool. Check that out. So this is, I don't have a vitrograph kiln. I would love to have and play with and practice doing vitrograph and Murinis and pulls, but that is, you know, a decade away from me. I'm gonna have to have a very different space and very different setup to do that. So I appreciate suppliers who, you know, have quality products. She uses all bullseye glass, which is what I use. So if you're a COE 90 person, then you're in luck. So look at that color, great green colors. Those are gonna be fun to play with. So I would love to be set up with my own someday. Sorry, I'm trying to turn this so I can see what's going on. I just know that I'm not, and therefore finding good suppliers is really important. These are some bulbs. I've used bulbs in some of my other pieces here of late. It's just a fun look. Trying to very carefully open this up. It's not difficult, it's just awkward trying to do this for a video for you. Normally I'd put this down flat and I wouldn't be worried about my camera angle and what can be seen. Check this guy out. I love doing florals lately, and so this green is perfect for that. Trying not to, want to make sure that I keep this intact and don't break. Very good product here. You get the gist of it by now. The color's olive green. Isn't that pretty? So you've got this large concentration of glass down here, and then it's pulled nice and thin, and it looks very floral. I think these are so cool, and bulb is an appropriate name for a whole variety of reasons. Put that off to the side. Look how, I mean, this thing is just packed so well. This is just filler, I believe. Yep. Just trying to make sure it all comes through the Postal Service well. All right, I'm glad I have my blade handy here. This came super fast, but it's because I'm just basically on the other side of the Metroplex. So thank you, Linda and team, for sending this out. I truly think I got it like the next day, because you sent priority mail, which I realize is important to do because of the insurance value. I'm going to keep working on it. I think this is just, nope, there's stuff in here. So let me work on how to get this out. You know what? Let me do that off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, I got this out. It really wasn't hard, and it was masterfully packed. It's just very, very awkward to try to do on camera. So I'm gonna open this up, pull this out. Such great packaging. But I mean, if you buy big Vitrograph, you want it to come, you know, in one piece so you get the full use of it. Just look at all of these beautiful colors. Look at how well it's packed. I love it, love it, love it. You know what, I'm not gonna open all this up. You can see well enough. There's some, this looks like French vanilla that's in there, spring green, some oranges and reds. Got a whole little multicolored pack here. So that's awesome. Mardi Gras colors, that's right. 4 ounces of Mardi Gras mix there. This one, also Mardi Gras. Look how cool those colors are. The turquoise, oh, I'm so excited. And then here are all sorts of little fun things. I should have scissors, let's see. I don't think I've got any, so let me just, again, do this without cutting my fingers off. So they've got little bits and pieces called Chubbies. Aren't those fun? So it's just kind of a random you know, design component there. Could be a lot of fun in some of the pieces I've been making lately, like that large panel that I made that was very kind of free-flowing. That's even kind of the same color scheme. Got these, they call them Macaroni, which is a clever name. I used some macaroni in that piece I made a couple of weeks ago that were clear. These are clearly beautiful, beautiful orange. And then another kind of mix here of macaroni in mixed colors, spring green, both opalescent and transparent. I see a piece of peacock in there. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. So there you go, JL Glass. I know you're gonna see this in future videos, so as I unboxed it, I wanted you to see it as it's coming out. Great family, great supplier, obviously packed really well. So stay tuned to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and you'll see what I make with some of this awesome stuff. Catch you all later, bye-bye.